Good morning everyone, this is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today as well I am here to continue preposition. So my dear students, today I have on, upon, onto, above, over, up. All these prepositions have got the same meaning in Hindi. इन सभी prepositions का हिंदी meaning एक ही है, that is ऊपर, but in sentences practically it is different, uses are different. All right, so now let us know about these prepositions, and with the help of examples I'll be trying to make you understand. So now please let's continue this. At first, here comes on. Touch, Touch, touch plus stable. Right? Hindi meaning ऊपर. Example. There is a book on the table. Touch plus stable. So my dear students, try to feel it, try to sense it practically. There is a book on the table. अब जो टेबल का सरफेस है, अब ये जो बुक है उसके ऊपर रखी हुई है. अब ये टच भी है उसके सरफेस से और स्टेबल. स्टेबल मीन्स देयर इज नो मोशन, राइट, कि पहले से ही उस टेबल के ऊपर ये बुक रखी हुई है. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड इट. Now let us move ahead. Upon, motion, motion plus touch. हिंदी मीनिंग ऊपर. Now first example. So my dear students, upon means motion plus touch. Fine. Hindi meaning ऊपर. Now let's say the dog. The dog jumped. The dog jumped upon the cat. The dog jumped upon the cat. Motion. M-O-T-I-O-N, motion. अब जैसे ही डॉग ने उस कैट को देखा तो उसने जंप करके मीन्स उसके ऊपर जंप किया. द डॉग जंप अपॉन द कैट. ऑल राइट. The cat pounced. P-O-U-N-C-E-D. The cat pounced upon the rat. The cat pounced upon the rat. Motion. अब जैसे उस कैट ने रेड को देखा तो उसके ऊपर एक झपटा या फिर अटैक किया, राइट? तो यहां पर हमने अपॉन यूज किया. So my dear students, now I have made you understand by having two examples of upon, that is motion plus touch, right? The dog jumped upon the cat. Now the second, the cat pounced upon the rat. Pounce in the sense attack करना. Now let us move ahead. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Above. Without touch. T-O-U-C-H. Without touch plus stable. Writing matter. Label. So this time my dear students, I have brought above. Above Hindi meaning ऊपर, right? First use, second use, third use, right? Without touch plus stable, writing matter, and label. And this is something I'll be making you understand by having example. So please just have a look. There is a fan. There is a fan above my head. There is a fan above my head. There is a roof. There is a roof above my head. Above me, there is a roof above me. So, without touch. Without touch plus stable. Alright. So this time there is a fan above my head. That is without touch plus stable. One more example. There is a roof above me. So again without touch plus stable. Now let us move ahead. Change the following sentences. Change the following sentences into passive. Change the following sentences into passive voice. Given above. Given above. Change the following sentences into passive voice. Change the following sentences into passive voice given above. Writing matter. Writing matter. All right. Now next, the water. The water of this river flowing above the danger level. Above the danger level. The water of this river flowing above the danger level. Level. L-E-V-E-L. So, my dear students, here I have taken some examples related above, and I believe you must have understood with the help of these examples. Now let's meet tomorrow with new prepositions. Thank you very much.